I kind of want to do something cool and crazy. Well, at least I think it's kind of cool. So let me know what you guys think as well. But a lot of 2021, I made some really cool custom boards similar to those over here. And for this year, I want to kind of continue that theme of creating custom boards, but I want to have a focus. So the focus that I've kind of come up with is Pokemon. Personally, I think it's kind of cool, but what I want to do is create all 151 characters from the first gen. And today, we're going to start that. I've got commissioned to do Dragonite and Mewtwo, but the Dragonite one is on the fence right now, so we're basically waiting for payment on that one. The Mewtwo, we're gonna start in today's video. Here's kind of a rendering of it that I created on Photoshop. I hope that it looks exactly like that because I think that's kind of cool. But this is the board that we're gonna be using, and I've got it all sanded and prepped, ready to go. I think the first start is to do the big, like, energy ball thing that's in the background. So we're gonna get the airbrush out and create that, and then we can draw the whole Mewtwo or paint the whole Mewtwo here. So stay tuned to see how it turns out. So I'm gonna be honest here, I had no clue what I was doing, and this looks absolutely amazing. I'm trying to go for like an energy ball or something, because that's one of Mewtwo's powers, if that makes sense. But that looks great. Now we just gotta do Mewtwo on top of it, and that'll be kind of like the background. But so far, I'm loving it. So at this point, normally what I would do is go ahead and peel everything and then do the second layer, but I think I'm going to leave it because it's already masked up really well, and the other stencil I have over there, all I have to do is just tape it to here and then spray. So we're going to try that, and I hope that it works. I'm so frustrated right now. Oh my god. So that last clip, as you saw, Mewtwo looks absolutely terrible. The light gray reacted with the dark gray. I tried to correct that off camera and ended up butchering the entire thing. So now I have to restart the entire thing, and I'm pretty upset about that. I've already got the base foundation done. So we're back at square one, which is the little dark energy ball. And now I've got to wait for that to dry, which is going to take another day. And then do the dark gray stencil again, which was absolutely perfect, but it got ruined by the light gray, so yay. At least it's something that can be fixed, so it's not a complete waste of time. I just really wanted it to go well, and stuff like this happens. And instead of just ignoring the fact that it happened and just moving on with the video, I wanted to be completely honest with you guys because stuff like this happens all the time, and this one was probably the worst incident that I've ever had, but it's okay. We're already restarted, so it's the best that we're gonna do. Try number 2. Let's see if it actually worked. There we go. That's what it's supposed to look like. We have one small imperfection right there. It is still a little textured on this part because it's still reacted, but I I was able to save it a little bit better than last time, but I think I can fix that with just a paintbrush and some paint, hopefully, or just mask up this area once it's dry and then spray right there to fill it back up. Not exactly sure how I'm going to go about it just yet, but that looks so much better than what it did yesterday. Now I actually feel okay. I'm not as bummed anymore. This turned out so much better than I thought it would. I am so happy with it. I went ahead and did clear off camera. I didn't do a whole lot because I didn't want the paint to react again and ruin it. But this is absolutely amazing. It's definitely one of my favorite boards that I've ever made, and I can't wait to do more Pokemon themed decks just like it. If you want to get one for yourself, check out my website at shopkeatonco.com. I will have this one on the website along with 150 other Pokemon that I still have to Photoshop and put on there, but eventually I will have all of them. I think right now I just have Dragonite on there, but this one will go up after this video. So if you want one, definitely let me know. So I'm gonna be completely transparent here. There's a few things that I would do differently for the next one. The colors are pretty dark, so I wanna lighten that up. I just need some good quality paint. So if you know anybody that has good quality paint, or if you have any recommendations, please let me know, because the paint that I used here kind of sucked. This stuff was fine, but the spray paint, that was terrible. That's why I went ahead and did white kind of everywhere to lighten it up a little bit, just to make it pop even more, because it was really, really dark on this board here. But that's just something that I can do in the future for another one. Let me know, again, if you have any recommendations for paint, because what I'm using absolutely sucked, and I never want to restart a board again because that took so much longer than it should have. But I am happy with the results, so that's good. Anyway, that's it for today's video. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you enjoyed the content, leave a thumbs up, comment down below, and subscribe to the channel if you're new. And I will see you guys on the next one. Stay awesome. Later.